Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. In today's video, we'll be discussing an annoying Sims 4 Lovestruck world bug. Apart from this, I'm going to suggest some solutions that will help you in fixing the issue. According to multiple reports from users, whenever they're trying to launch or open Lovestruck world in Sims 4, they are seeing white blank screen like this instead of the world. The issue is common among PC users, and if you landed on this video, then it's possible that you are also facing the same issue. Talking about the fix, for most of the users, the culprit is mode. Any from Twisted Maxi and all worlds are residential from Zerbo. So it is suggested that remove your mode first and test in a new save. Still with no modes or custom content present. For that, move the modes folder to the desktop and delete local thumbcache.package file and check if you are able to access Lovestruck World. In case this fails to fix the issue, then try playing the game in a clean user folder. For that, move the entire Sims 4 folder out of the documents, electronic arts, onto your desktop. Doing this will launch the game with clean folder with no content. Don't worry about the saves and other content as it will remain in the folder you temporarily moved to the desktop. It is suggested do not add anything to the new folder, just start a new save and see whether you are able to access the new world. So these two solutions helps almost all the affected gamers, so you should give it a try. I hope this helps. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.